Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the batteries. That relieves power and prevents shorting. Use a T6 driver and back out the 5 visible screws in the battery bay, 2 at the top, 3 along the back. Once done, lift the rear shell gently from the top edge. It snaps, so apply steady upward pressure. Make sure to work on a soft, clear surface and keep screws in order because their length varies and matters when you reassemble. After lifting the rear shell, use a plastic pick to pry the front and back halves apart. Start at the trigger area and move forward. You'll see ribbon cables and clip tabs. Disconnect ribbons slowly by flipping their tiny latches because they are fragile. Remove the faceplate to expose the thumbsticks and triggers. Once exposed, document or photograph button positions so you know where each spring and pad belongs when you put it back together. Now remove the internal screws holding the PCB and shift the board up and away from the lower shell. Do this slowly to avoid bending connectors. Disconnect the trigger flex and vibration motor leads by lifting connectors straight up and peel any adhesive pads off gently so they can be reused. Once components are free, you can swap parts or clean contacts. If things go wrong, recheck ribbon seating and screw lengths. Misplaced.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.